Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to transfer XRP from Bitget to Trust Wallet. Now, if you're looking to move your XRP tokens from the Bitget to Trust Wallet, you must have a Bitget account. If you do not have a Bitget account, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim welcome gifts and bonuses when you register and verify your account with our link. So guys, you're on Bitget, you're looking to move your XRP tokens. What do? Head to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, scroll from the overview to the spot or funding, simply reload, and you'd find your cryptocurrencies here. Now for the XRP, simply click on the XRP and click on withdraw, select on-chain withdrawal. Then you're met with the option to enter the network as well as the address and the address tag. So all you need to do to withdraw your XRP from Bitget is minimize and open up your Trust Wallet. And once you've opened up the Trust Wallet, simply use the search icon to search for XRP. Now the XRP that says XRP, not BNB pegged or wrapped XRP, select this XRP here. Once you selected this option, click on the receive option, copy your address. As you can see here, it says no tag required. Minimize and open up Bitget. Paste the address there. Once you've entered the withdrawal address, as you can see here, it says enter an address tag. We do not have an address tag as it is not required. Enter the minimum, which is 22 XRPs. And once you've entered the amount, simply click on withdraw. By doing this, you could simply move your XRP tokens from Bitget over to the Trust Wallet platform. And once on Trust Wallet, simply perform a reload and you'd find your XRP tokens here. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.